In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add payment on Invoice Fly. To get started, open Invoice Fly and make sure you're on the main dashboard. This is where you'll access the settings needed to enable payment collection on your invoices. If you're already signed in, you can begin right away. If not, sign in first so you can access your account options and payment settings. Once you're inside Invoice Fly, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and click on Settings. This section is where you manage the core features of your account, including business preferences, invoice behavior, and payment integrations. Taking a moment to familiarize yourself with this area can make it easier to adjust things later if needed. After that, click on Payment Options. This is the area where Invoice Fly lets you choose how your customers will be able to pay you. If you want to make invoicing more convenient for clients, this is an important section because it allows you to connect supported payment services directly to your account. Next, select a payment option. For example, if you want to use Stripe, find the Stripe option and toggle it on. Turning this on tells Invoice Fly that you want to accept payments through that provider. Be sure to choose the option that best fits how you want to receive payments from your customers. Once Stripe is enabled, go ahead and connect with Stripe. This step links your Invoice Fly account with your Stripe account, so payments can be processed properly. When you click to connect, you'll usually be redirected to Stripe's secure connection page. This is a normal part of the setup process and helps keep your payment information protected. From there, enter your account details to complete the connection. Make sure the information you provide is accurate, since this is what allows your payment account to be verified and used successfully. If you already have a Stripe account, use those existing account details. If you're creating one during this process, follow the prompts carefully and complete any required fields. After everything is connected, your selected payment option should be ready to use in Invoice Fly. That means when you send invoices, you can offer customers a more direct and convenient way to pay. As a helpful tip, it's a good idea to double check that the connection was successful before sending out important invoices, just to make sure your payment setup is working as expected. And that's how to add payment on Invoice Fly.